I, Krishna, see you struggling at your desk right now. Your inbox is overflowing, deadlines are crushing you, and you're wondering why can't I handle this like others do. Your practice tests are bombing, entrance exams are looming over you. You're wondering why can't I crack this? Your college rejection letters keeps piling up. Acceptance deadlines are slipping away. You're asking yourself, why can't I get in like my friends did? Your job applications are getting ignored. Interview calls aren't coming through. You're thinking, why am I not getting any offer letter? Your grades are slipping. Scholarship requirements are getting tougher. You're questioning, why can't I excel like my classmates? Here is the truth. You haven't unlocked the secret that changes everything. You start your day already anxious about outcomes. You think, what if I don't score well in IIT or JEE? My parents will be disappointed. You worry, what if I don't get into the dream company? I'll be a failure. You stress, will my presentation impress the client? I need this deal with the client to prove I am worthy. Every exam result makes your heart race. Every job interview becomes a performance where your self-worth hangs in the balance. Every email response triggers anxiety. You work hard, but stress harder. By the end, you're exhausted, not from the actual studying, job hunting or working, but from carrying the weight of 1,000 what-ifs. I, Krishna, offer you ancient wisdom from the Bhagavad Gita. My dear friend, you have the right to perform your actions, but my friend, you're not entitled to the fruit of your actions. This means give your absolute best to the work itself, then release your grip on the results. You show up with focus, discipline, and heart because you know that's what you control. You study hard, not for perfection, but to honor your potential. You prepared for the interview like a pro, knowing your word doesn't depend on a single yes. You speak up in meeting, not to impress, but to make an impact. You give your all, then you let go. You trust the process, you move forward, and you remind yourself, results don't define you, efforts does. When you stop carrying the burden of outcomes, something magical happens. You find it easier to concentrate during your study sessions because anxiety isn't clouding your mind. You show up to interviews with calm confidence because you're not driven by desperation. Your thinking becomes sharper because your mind isn't weighed down by constant worry. Your preparation gets better because you're fully present. People start to trust you more because you're being real, not trying to impress. Opportunities begin to flow because you're acting from confidence, not fear. And the irony, when you stop obsessing over the results often improve on their own. Tomorrow, choose one meaningful task, just one. Now say silently to yourself, today I choose to give this task my full presence. Give it your full attention, without rushing, without multitasking, without obsessing over what comes after. When your mind starts spinning with questions like, will this be good enough? Or what if it doesn't work? Pause, breathe. Bring your focus back to the task in front of you. That's your part. That's your zone of control. Say to yourself, I am here. I'm doing my best. What happens next isn't mine to control. This isn't passivity. It's power. It's clarity. You stop wasting energy on what ifs and start channelizing it into what is. Your workspace is no different from a battlefield or a temple. It's a place where presence, effort, and courage matter more than the outcome. And the truth is, the less you chase validation, the more powerfully you show up. You work better, you feel lighter, you even perform better because your work isn't riding on the result. So here is your role. Work with care, act with intention, let go of the rest. Not because the results don't matter, but because your peace matters more. Yours, Krishna. We are hosting the Mystic Circle, a space for curious, conscious minds to explore how the Gita's timeless wisdom applies to modern life, career, relationship, mental health, and more. Want to be a part of it? Comment the Mystic Circle, check the description and pinned comment to apply. Stay connected through the Mystic Letter and our WhatsApp community. All links in the description and pinned comment. Like, share and drop your reflections below or just type the Mystic Circle to join deeper conversation. Your voice, your energy, your presence, it all matters here. Let's grow together mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. Subscribe for more Gita wisdom. Radhe Krishna and take care.